Hey guys, it's Ashley from Bookish, and this is my Accio unboxing. This is going to be my very first unboxing for this box, and so yeah, we'll see how it goes, and I will leave the details about the box and the down below. So, open it up, and it says, "We solemnly swear there's good stuff inside." And it is going to be green paper for a Slytherin. The first thing I see is falling apart. It's like a wall tapestry. Sorry about the lighting, it really sucks. So it's like a wall hanging. And the next, it just says carve a potterific pumpkin with these 3 patterns, and it gives you a little site. The next thing is a enamel pen by Rather Keen. It says pumpkin juice. Looks like it's just like almost a top to a bottle. It's actually really kind of cute, simple yet cute. And then we have a cookie. I'm assuming, I don't know what kind of cookie. I'm assuming pumpkin of some sort. Of course, that's the all kinds of messy. I'm not really sure what this is. Looks like a hat or something, I don't know. It says Happy Death Day, R.I.P. Sir Nicholas, 500 years. Oh, okay, it's like a hat. And then we have I actually like this. So this would be almost like a first replica for me. It looks like it is Fleur and Bill Weasley's wedding invitation. And definitely cool. It says, Mr. and Madame Delacour and Mr. and Miss Weasley request the honor of your presence at the marriage of their children, Fleur Isabella Delacour and William Arthur Weasley. Friday the 1st of August, 1997 at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. The Borough, Ottery St. Ketchel. Reception immediately to follow. The couple is registered at Horse Feathers Homewares, 86 Diagon Alley, London. Sorry, that is really cool. I like this. Definitely. And then, of course, the last thing is the t-shirt. Which is definitely Halloweeny. Simple black. And it says, purveyors of fine bones, fossils, fangs, and tusks. Number 31, Nocturne Alley, London. Distal phalanges. Definitely like that. Like the color. And of course, on the back, it has the Accio. So that is definitely cool. So, oh, it's a death day. Okay, so the hat is a custom party hat replica. It says Nick's 500th Death Day party is one of our favorite Halloween scenes from the book, so we knew we wanted to somehow include it in our October box. The cookie is a vegan pumpkin spice cookie by Fat Badger Bakery. Interesting. And then the wall hanging is the house ghost, so Salazar Slytherin. And that was house specific, so these are the ones you could have gotten. So yeah, definitely interesting. I'm assuming the wedding invitation was what was in one of the other boxes, that the date was wrong or something, if I'm not mistaken, so that's why that's in there. But yeah, so I mean, the stuff is good. I like the t-shirt, like the enamel pin. Love the replicas now that I know what the party hat was. But yeah, definitely enjoyed it. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. Sorry about the lighting. Bye guys.